Most people think making 10 grand a month means working 80 hours, lying to clients, or becoming someone they hate. That's wrong. You don't need to sell your soul, you just need to understand value. When you master how to create value for others, money becomes a side effect, not the goal. Here's the truth: $10K a month isn't millionaire money. It's baseline freedom money. It's enough to quit a job you hate, pay your bills, and build something real. But most people will never touch it because they chase shortcuts instead of skills. You don't need to scam anyone, you don't need fake gurus, and you definitely don't need to become a version of yourself you can't respect. You need leverage. Leverage comes from two things: a skill that solves pain and a system that delivers it efficiently. Think about it. Every dollar you earn is a reflection of how much value you bring and how many people you bring it to. If you help one person make $10,000, charging $1,000 is fair. Help 10 people and you've hit $10K. That's math, not magic. The first step is to pick one problem that actually matters, something people are already paying to fix. Stop guessing what people might want and look at what they're already buying. Weight loss, better marketing, time freedom, more clients, more sales. The world pays for results, not opinions. Then, go all in on learning how to solve that problem better than 95% of people. That means stacking skills. Sales, communication, offer creation, delivery. You don't need to be the best in the world, just good enough to deliver what you promise. The market rewards reliability more than genius. Once you have a skill that creates transformation, package it into an offer. Don't sell your time, sell outcomes. People don't want coaching calls, they want results. They don't want a fitness plan, they want confidence. They don't want marketing advice, they want more customers. If your offer clearly connects what you do to the result they want, selling becomes easy, and don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a fancy website, a brand photo shoot, or 1,000 followers. You need 5 clients who trust you, and you need to deliver hard. When you do that, they'll refer you to 5 more. Reputation compounds faster than any ad campaign. The next step is to systemize, build a repeatable way to attract, convert, and serve. If you spend 80% of your time chasing leads, you'll never grow. Create one simple process that works. Maybe it's content that educates. Maybe it's outreach that adds value before asking for anything. Build a pipeline that feeds you so you can focus on delivering, not begging. But here's the part people skip: mindset. You can't out-earn your self-image. If deep down you think you don't deserve $10K a month, you'll sabotage every win. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a problem solver. Employees trade time for money. Entrepreneurs trade value for money. Big difference. And when you hit $10K a month, don't flex. Reinvest. That's where freedom multiplies. Use it to buy time back, delegate tasks, learn more skills, and create leverage. Because $10K/month is not the destination, it's the foundation. From there, you can build $20K, $50K, or even $100K months, but it starts by keeping integrity first. The people who burn out are the ones who chase money without meaning. The ones who win long-term are those who align money with mission. You can be wealthy and still sleep at night if you build it the right way. So stop asking, how do I make more money? And start asking, how can I create more value without losing who I am? When you live by that rule, $10K/month stops being a dream, it becomes the new normal. Don't sell your soul for success. Build the kind of success that feeds your soul instead.